Welcome to Simply Joy. I'm Kristen, and I am so glad you are here. The first project today is inspired by something I've already created. Her name is Ghostie. Maybe you remember her. She's from a couple of videos ago. Anyways, she's already found a new home, and I wanted to still have a Ghostie like, because you can't replace Ghostie. I wanted something like it for the craft show mid-September, so I created two new ones. They don't have purple flowers like Ghostie. I didn't have any left, but I still think you're gonna love them, so here you go. Sometimes your ghost needs a little blush. If you give your ghost some blush, then you have to give your ghost a bow. How cute is that? So after clear coating, I felt like it still needed some dimension, so I've added black wax to the back, to the sides, and just the edging of the face. But I've kept the face white, but I think that it adds a lot. I think something's missing. Much better. I think the bow was exactly what they need. Did you love them? They're so cute. So this is the second set of these pumpkins I have DIY'd. So I think two videos ago in Sonnet's Maker's Box, I upcycled a set. And then when I was in Hobby Lobby, I decided to pick up another set because I was like, oh, I can make cute little ghosts. And I love them, the little ghost pumpkins. Aren't they adorable? So the reason that I had picked these sets up was because they reminded me of the wood leaves. However, it doesn't seem like they are available anymore, which makes me kind of sad because I've done wood leaves the last few years. I'll drop some of those pictures so you can see what I'm talking about. Yeah, so I've created a few different styles of leaves over the years, and they kind of became a trend last year, which was kind of exciting and so much fun to see how others decided to create with them. So I've been a little bummed. I know everyone else is because, you know, you can't find them, but, you know, I went out into the garage and guess what? I found some. Yeah, I still had a couple packs. So I haven't done these two looks, so you're going to see two looks. I haven't done them before, so enjoy watching them. And remember, if you can't find the wood leaves, you can do them on these pumpkins. These next three projects go hand in hand. I'm gonna call it the Tale of Three Pumpkins. I took 3 pumpkins, painted them all black with little black dress. Yeah, little black dress from DIY. And then I kind of deviated. I did something different on each one. However, they have some things that overlap, but they all coordinate together. And I cannot wait to show you how I transformed 3 pumpkins. So there it is, all the projects. I went a little overboard this week, and guess what? This wasn't the plan. I actually have a couple projects that you'll see next week because they didn't go with the theme. So after I created Ghostie's replacements, and then I made the little ones with the flowers, and then I made the little ghost pumpkins, it kind of snowballed. Then I was like, oh, let's make ghost leaves. Oh, I love the black with the pink inlay on the leaves. Oh, let's do some of those things on the pumpkins. Oh, let's make a ghost family. Like, it just snowballed. I guess that's what creativity does. And so then before I knew it, I had a theme of black, white with a little bit of floral, or maybe a lot of floral. This is totally my vibe. I absolutely love this collection, and it wasn't planned. It really wasn't planned. The only reason all of this happened was because Ghostie was bought. So thank you, my friend. You, because you bought Ghostie, all of these projects happened. But I am so excited, so excited for you to see it all together. Hello, sweet friend. Thank you for hanging out with me today. I had so much fun creating this collection that really wasn't planned. It just kind of snowballed. And I think when things like that happen, you know, embrace it. It was productive. It was creating things for my craft show that is only a couple weeks away. It's coming so fast. I'm working so hard, but yet at the same time, do you ever feel like you're like, oh, but I could do this and this and this? And so it's, do what you can, give your best for that day. And sometimes your best looks different each day. There was a quote, and I'm probably going to butcher it. I really should probably find it and put it at the end of this. But it pretty much says that your best is not pulling every ounce of energy and strength out of you. It's not going to the point where you have nothing left. Your best is when you can still be your best you. And I think that's a struggle for us. I think that we pour out, and we forget that giving everything we have is not always the best for us, and it's not always the most sustainable. You can do it for a short time, like when you were pushing through to get a project done, or you have like a big event coming through. I mean, I put in a little bit more time, right? But I can't do that year round. Can you? If you can, maybe you should check. Are you human? You might be superhuman. But I just think that putting out your best is going to look different for every person. It's going to be different for you every day, what your best is. But try to do it in a way that you are still your best you. I don't want to give so much that I can't be loving towards those around me, that I can't enjoy the things that I love to do. Be kind. I think you're getting the picture. But next week, let's talk about it. I created something thinking it was going to be in this week's video, and then because it didn't go with the collection, but I used one of Connie's rice papers, the owl. I'll show you a quick picture. But yes, I love how it turned out, and I cannot wait to show you. I feel like I say that all the time, but it's honest to goodness. Like, I get so excited about creating that all I want to do is share, because then I hope it inspires you or encourages you in something. Yes, I am trying to wrap up fall/Halloween so I can start working on like Christmas and other like staples, like things I always carry. But I'm having so much fun in this season of creating. Do you ever get like so tunnel focused on a certain area that you're like, oh, I don't want to leave it, I just want to keep going? And I need to shift. Like, I need to start working on the other things. Like I said, it's only a couple weeks away. And yes, I do have Christmas and do have other things, but I kind of want to add some new, fresh things, right? But yes. So stay tuned. Like, the next few weeks, actually few months, there's so much happening, and I hope you stick around so that I can inspire you. Like, that's my heart. I just want to inspire you to create for yourself.